Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Got a weekend forecast for you here. Rain increases overnight, especially after midnight into the early morning hours. Temperatures don't move much, upper 30s, lower 40s. I don't think you have to worry about anything slippery except for the wet roads in the morning. North winds 15 to 30, maybe some gusts to 35 overnight as well. It's a tough wind to get started here on the weekend. Northwest or north to northeast 15 to 25 at least on Saturday. 47 for high, still kind of raw, and the rain is around most of Saturday. But the nice news is Sunday, at least we get half of the weekend out of it. Easter Sunday, partly sunny and 64, and not a whole bunch of wind. Once we get to Sunday in the 60s, we've got 60s and 70s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That certainly helps lift a few spirits. And finally, after Tuesday, the rain chances go away as well. So starting to dry out, some April showers to start the weekend, but improving after that.